Hey everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a card share video. This is using Spellbinders dies. If you've watched a couple of other videos that I've recently posted, you know I'm on a Spellbinders die kit. Use them up, the ones that I purchased and never used. So I needed to make a card that I need to get in the mail. So I thought I would share the card with you. I'm using the Club Blooms, which is super popular. It's from the die of the month, large die of the month from January 23. And I just love this die set. The florals in them are just simply gorgeous. And I think, how many does it say? It's 23 dies. So that's a pretty big die set, Club Blooms. And then I also used it is postage egg rectangle set, and it's 8 dies. And then I also used in making this card this honeybee stamps, sweet lettuce sentiments. This is one of my new favorites, or not brand new, but recently purchased that I'm in love with. I love honeybee stamps. Sentiment and die sets. They cut out really well, and I really like them. Did I express that enough? So here's the card that I made, and I think it's really sunny and really pretty, and the recipient should really like it. So here's the sentiment that I popped up using the Spellbinders dimensionals, and I think I cut this out twice and stacked it up to give it some heft. But I think the card turned out really pretty. I think I used the Spellbinders glazing glue in the middle of the flowers here to give them a little shine. But I thought that was a super sweet card. Let me know what you think below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.